Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at an example of a song which has many poetic devices incorporated into it. The song is called Drops of Jupiter by Train. Firstly, we're going to be identifying the similes. Keep in mind, a simile is a figure of speech that directly compares two different things, usually by employing the words like or as. We're going to use the yellow highlighter to identify the similes. In line 3 here, we have the words she acts like summer. Here we are attaching the qualities of summer to the personality of the female person that is being referenced, therefore making you think that she is radiant, happy, bubbly and positive. Some of the words that you use to describe summer as well. There is also another simile at the end of the line talking about the female walking like rain, which is this bit here, walks like rain. Once again, the word like has been used. At the bottom of this paragraph, we have another simile where we are speaking about the female once again listening like spring. So it's this line here, she listens like spring. This compares the features of spring to the way that the female listens to people. We also have another simile at the end of this line whereby the way that the female talks is the same as June. It's this bit here, and she talks like June. This can be taken a few different ways, as June may be talking about the month of June, or it could also be talking about someone that the author knows named June. Next, we are going to look at some examples of alliteration. For that one, we're going to use the green highlighter. Remember from our definitions that alliteration is the repetition of consonant sounds in words in the same line. We have an example of alliteration in the fourth line of the song, which is this line here. Reminds me that there's a time to change, hey, hey. We have the repetition of the T sound 4 times in the same line, with the words that, there's, time, and to. There's a second occurrence of alliteration at the start of the second paragraph. There is a use of the S sound. It's this line here, tell me did you sail across the sun. We have the repetition of the S sound on the word sail and also on the word sun. Now we're going to have a look at some end rhyme. For that we're going to use the blue highlighter. At the end of the first paragraph, we have the last 2 lines ending in rhyming words, moon and June. It's these words here, moon and also June. We have another instance of rhyme in the last paragraphs with the words day and way. So we'll scroll down and we also have it here with day and also way. Finally, we're going to look at some personification. For that, we're going to use the pink highlighter. Remember that personification involves giving everyday objects human-like features. We have 2 instances of this in the 6th paragraph. That's this paragraph right here. The first line talks about the wind sweeping you off your feet. So we'll highlight this first line. This is giving the wind the ability to sweep someone off their feet like a groom can sweep his bride off her feet. We have a second instance of personification in the 4th line of the paragraph where it says, did Venus blow your mind? It's this one here, and tell me, did Venus blow your mind? This is giving the planet Venus the human feature of being able to blow your mind. This ends our analysis of this song, and this is GP and KT signing out.